Hello, good morning. How can I help you? Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the third weekend in September. Do you have any vacancies? Yes, sir, we have several rooms available for that particular weekend. And what is the exact date of your arrival? The 24th. How long will you be staying? I'll be staying for 2 nights. How many people is the reservation for? There will be two of us. And would you like a room with a twin bed or a double bed? A double bed, please. Great, and would you prefer to have a room with a view of the ocean? If that type of room is available, I would love to have an ocean view. What's the rate for the room? Your room is $590 per night. Now, what name will the reservation be listed under? John Smith. And is there a phone number where you can be contacted? Yes, my mobile phone number is 555-26382. Wonderful! Now I'll need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it? MasterCard, the number is 978-324-962. And what is the name of the cardholder? John Smith. Alright, Mr. Smith, your reservation has been made for the 24th of September for a room with a double bed and a view of the ocean. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to call us. Wonderful, thank you very much. My pleasure. We'll see you in September, Mr. Smith. Have a nice day.